So starting off with the eyes, I already concealed and set my eyes using my Tarte concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey. And as again, like everybody should probably know, I had set my concealer with the shade Tempera from Anastasia Beverly Hills. For the eyes today, I will be taking the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So like I said, I already prepped my eyes. So I'm going to make a quick, easy, like taupey glitter color tutorial, because that's what I'm kind of going for. But I'm going to go ahead and just use Dusty Rose, and I'm going to apply that all over my crease and probably a little bit on my lid. So my two favorite blending brushes, and everybody's favorite, is the Morphe M441 and the M443, and these are the two main brushes that I use to blend everything. So yeah, so I'm going to, like I said, go ahead and go in with the shade Dusty Rose and apply that all over my crease and a little bit on my lid. So I'm just slowly just building this up to make it dark to the darkness that I want. Oh my god, I don't make no sense today. I'm just building it up to my likings. So I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and just blend out any harsh edges. The next and last shade, again, this is an easy makeup look. I was debating on the two colors Rose Pink and Sultry, but I may go with Rose Pink because unlike Sultry, it's more like that thick pigment that just stays in place, as of Rose Pink is like an actual, you know, shimmer shade, but it's also blendable. So I'm just going to apply that all over my lid, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M433 brush. Oh wait, shit. Yeah, the M433. So going back in with the Morphe M441, I'm just going to blend out those two colors. So that is it with the eyes for now. I'm going to go back in underneath my lash line when we get, you know, almost done. So I already prepped and primed my face, and I had used a little bit of this oil control hydrator. This was in one of my skincare favorites, I think, and I'll go ahead and link that tab up there so you guys can see this. And I also double primed today. I had used, here it is, my Smashbox Photo Finish primer stick, and this is what it looks like. But this is like one of my favorites, along with that Marc Jacobs. This duo kit is amazing. Is it? No, Dr. Bryant Pore Refiner Primer. Use these two together. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Hold on. So these two together is amazing if you have oily skin or just huge pores. It just takes them away. But so like I said, I went ahead and just prepped and primed my face. I can't talk today. Oh my god. On to foundation. I will not be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I know, what the hell, but I'm going to try, well not try, I used this before, but I got the wrong shade and I never like retried it again. But I went ahead and purchased a L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte foundation, and I'm in the shade, I think I'm in the shade 105 Natural Beige, just because I went off my Fit Me foundation, which is Natural Beige, the 220, so I'm like, fuck it, let's just see if this is a true natural beige. So if this is a little bit dark or a little bit lighter, just bear with me. I just guessed the color. So again, I'll be trying again this foundation out. So to conceal, I will be taking again my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Honey. Just applying that all over, well, underneath my eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. So I'm just going to go ahead and set my under eyes wherever I highlight it and the rest of my face with my Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in the shade Light. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that. While that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills light to medium contour kit. And I'm just going to be taking these two shades right here. And to contour, I'll be using my Sephora number 74. And this is similar to the Sedona FB05 contour brush, I want to say. But this is my favorite. Not only that, but from Sedona Lace to Sephora, this is a little bit cheaper. So putting it out there for you guys. Going back into the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, I'm going to go ahead and go back in with that shade Dusty Rose right there. And I'm going to apply that underneath my lash line. Lashes, I'll be going ahead and using my Ardell Double Up 206 motherfucking lashes. I cannot find these for the hell of my life. Like, I checked all of Ulta, well, Sephora doesn't have them, do they? I don't know. But just all of Ulta, and I cannot seem to find these bad boys. But all of a sudden, if you guys are from the Columbus, Ohio area, I finally went up to that Sally's Beauty Supplies up off of Polaris, like the 23, well outside of Polaris, the 23 High Street area. And I had to return some hair product that I didn't like, but I just look over and I'm like, okay, let me just find just some more Ardell just lashes to, you know, have. And I see 206. I'm like, bitch, are you serious? I got them, so now I know to get them, or at least hopefully find them at either Sally's or just go up to Polaris. So while these are drying, I know it looks really weird right now, but when I was getting ready to, well, when I was gluing my lashes, I couldn't find my mascara. So I'm like, let me just put these on really quickly so they don't dry. So let me So I'm going to go back in also with my lashes to cover them up with mascara, obviously, but if it looks weird, don't worry, it's all going to come together. So while that is drying, I'm going to go ahead and blush up my face. And for blush today, I will be using the e.l.f. Duo Kit in the shade, well, St. Lucia, and that's what it's called. Well, that's what it looks like. It's like a peachy coral color. Like I said before, I think this may be dried out, so it's not picking up any color. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. Highlight, I'll be taking my Too Faced Blinded by the Light highlighter. This is what it looks like. My favorite. I do want to try that golden one that Too Faced has, but I forget what it's called. To finish up this look, I just did my eyes and brows off camera. I'm going to go ahead and go in with some lipstick. So I will be using today, for the lips, I will be taking my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee, and this is my favorite look. Well, my favorite color of just gloss. Got that nice peachy undertone. And I just feel like it works with all looks besides like a matte look, but other than that, I just feel like it goes with everything. Last minute, but I'm going to go ahead and take glistening and put that in my inner tear duct. Setting my face with my Rose Water Face Mist. So that is it for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy. And this is my favorite palette besides the Modern Renaissance. But I love this palette, you guys. It's just so beautiful. But again, quick, easy makeup tutorial. Purple shimmer you would call it, but I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you did, go ahead and like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. But if you want to see my other ABH soft glam palette for school, I'll go ahead and link that one up above here. But if you want to wear this one for school, like a little glam that's still kind of simple, not too much in my opinion, then go ahead and try it out. But again, I really hope you guys enjoy this, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, and I have some videos coming up about my hair, because I know a couple people have been asking me about to do like a curly hair routine again, or your tips on taking care of your curly hair. So I'll be going ahead and doing those soon in the meantime. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy, and I will go ahead and see you guys next time in the videos. Bye, you guys.